Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the simplest hardware causes. Confirm power and cables on the modem and router, then reboot them one after another. Once done, reboot your PC. Wait 60 to 90 seconds between devices so networks fully reinitialize. Plug a laptop into Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi issues and make sure other devices can reach the internet. If the wired link works, you now know the problem is wireless or PC specific, and you can move to targeted software fixes. You now reset the software layer that often causes failures. Open an elevated command prompt and run ipconfig/flushtons, then ipconfig/release and ipconfig/renew to refresh addressing. Next, go to Device Manager. Update the network adapter driver or uninstall it and let Windows reinstall on reboot. If problems persist, perform a Windows network reset or use Netch to reset the TCP/IP stack. These steps clear corrupted settings and stale caches, so your PC can negotiate a fresh connection. You finish by verifying connectivity and replacing failing components. Run ping to a public IP and tracert to see where packets drop. This reveals whether the issue is local, ISP, or beyond. If diagnostics point to hardware, swap Ethernet cables, change router ports, or test with an alternate USB or PCIe network adapter. If still unresolved, boot into safe mode with networking to rule out third-party software interference. If safe mode works, uninstall recent apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.